how to factory reset Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to remove all the files, documents and completely reset your Windows? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. For that, you'll need to go to settings and then go to system on the left hand side, and then you'll need to scroll down and then tap on recovery. Here you'll find the reset this PC option, so you can tap on it and then you can choose remove everything, and then your PC will restart. You'll need to wait for a while and then it will be factory reset. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.